Assalamu alaikum, brother. I have actually made the web application, data scraping web application through Node.js. Here is the application and codes. So I have added some Excels here, where we need to add the data sources. As example, I have added three Google Map category pages, where multiple, yeah, electricians of California are there. So this is the category pages I have added in Excel. Then here are specific files, JavaScript files for specific data. Like if I open this file, run this file, the pro cmd, the system will open a browser and it will automatically find data from the Google Maps one by one. As example, it will find all listing regarding or related with electricians of California. Then it will work, or it can work few minutes, and the output Excel will be automatically downloaded here, like with this data for the following column: category, name, website, email, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, phone address. Yeah, I can just um, refine the code and add specific functions or codes. Mm, as you may need a different type of data, I may need to refine the system or code. And this is basically working through the for loop. The for loop is finding data sources from Excel, then it's finding data again using for loop in the Google Maps. And you'll see the update here: found 107 listings from categories, first categories. Then found 52 listings from the second category. Then scrolling category again, the third category, because I have added three categories, category links here of Google Map for a specific business, like electrician Canada, plumbers Texas, bicycle shops Rome. So it's finding data actually. And finally, an output Excel will be downloaded here, and you'll see the data. And the data actually is being found from Google Maps, website, social media pages. And if you want, I can also make a front end, so yeah, and a user don't need to touch in code. They can just open a page, website page, and they can add the data sources there. Then um, there should have submit button for finding data. Everything can work through a nice front end, but I just did not make a front end for now. um, Thank you.